This is the Dashtop retrim kit for the Austin Healey BN4, BN6, BN7 and BT7 models. So it's the retrim kits. We can sell it individually like this, or this is also included in the trim panel kit as a retrim kit, or additionally we can actually fully trim up a Dashtop panel on a new plywood base for you, etc. But this is the retrim kit. It basically includes 3mm foam padding, vinyl cut to shape, or leather cut to shape if you're going with the leather option, and then also bits of piping. Now the piping, there's no other piping on the panels really, apart from some of the early BN4 kits that had the hockey stick quarter panels. Apart from that, obviously it's piping to match your seats. So just let us know if you're just ordering this on its own or part of the trim panel kit. We obviously just need to know what piping colour is original for your car or that you want in your car. But that's the kit for the retrim kits. Like I say, that's also included in the trim panel kit, or for an optional extra cost, you can get this fully trimmed up on a brand new plywood base.